Welcome to HODL Tutorials. Buying HODL using Coinbase mobile app. Select Settings. Select Default Network. We need to change our network. Select Binance Smart Chain. Select the Coinbase Dapp browser. We are going to search for HODLtoken.net. Copy the HODL Token Contract address. Do a search for pancakeswap.finance. We need to connect our wallet. Select MetaMask. Select Trade. Select the bottom coin. Paste the HODL contract address. Select Import. Select I understand. Select Import. This tutorial is not financial advice. We could choose how much HODL we wish to purchase, but in this tutorial, we will be selecting the amount of BNB we are willing to spend. We need to change our slippage tolerance. What is slippage? Slippage is the price difference between submitting a transaction and transaction confirmation. Price might rise. Price might fall. What is slippage tolerance? Slippage tolerance is a pricing difference setting that users are willing to accept when swapping. Adjust your slippage tolerance for taxes and market conditions. More trading requires more slippage tolerance. Slippage and tokenomics tax are not the same thing. Select the gear icon next to the word swap. We will be using a custom slippage tolerance of 15%. Close the settings when you are finished. Our 15% slippage tolerance is confirmed in the bottom right-hand corner. Select Swap. If your transaction fails to complete, try again, but this time adding 0.00 on the end of the amount of HODL you wish to purchase. Confirm your payment by selecting Pay. Congratulations, your transaction has been submitted. You can view your transaction receipt on the Binance Smart Chain network using the BSC scan link. Thank you for considering purchasing HODL, and thank you for watching this tutorial.